If you've ever been to college, you've probably heard of a White Russian.
Yeah, and if you've ever watched The Dude, hello.
My personal hero. So in here we've got some heavy cream, which is super light for you. And then some cold coffee. You can use leftover coffee if you brewed a little too much in the morning.
As the Big Lebowski did. It was like a week-old coffee.
Yeah, I mean, 1 day, 1 week, it's, you know, whatever. And then we're gonna add some Kahlua, which is, you know, you can use any coffee liqueur you like. And then
And one of my many favorite things about Austin, Texas, Tito's vodka.
the best. If you want to give me a little couple spoonfuls.
Whatever, close enough.
And then some sugar. And then stir
that up.
Again.
This is brilliant. Pour it into a loaf pan lined with plastic.
Right. So, well, what would that look like?
It would look like. Why, it would look like this, my new best friend.
Yeah.
Show them how it comes out.
So it gets lined with the plastic, and then you can just kind of cut them. This one's been sitting out for a minute, so
you slice them up, and it looks like this.
Yeah.
Boom!